how to set Bluetooth audio codec SSC or AAC or SBC or LDAC or aptX on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down to End. Click on Developer option. After click on Developer option, scroll down and search Bluetooth audio codec from here. Scroll down. You will see Bluetooth audio codec is here. Click on Bluetooth audio codec. After click on Bluetooth audio codec, now here showing you SSC, AAC, SBC, LDAC, aptX. So you will select one. After select SSC, go back to home screen. So that's how you can set Bluetooth audio codec SSC, AAC, SBC, LDAC, and aptX on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.